I want to do a video on the pedal commander for the Ford Bronco to help eliminate some of the acceleration lag. I'm going to do a quick install and just walk you through kind of what my experience has been with this and how it's helping with throttle response. All right, so here's everything you get in the box. You get the actual pedal commander with the 2 connections, something to clean. So if you do want to mount this onto the dash, you get a zip tie for the wiring and then the instructions. So right off the bat, it's actually smaller. Kind of see in my hand, it's a little bit smaller than what I thought it was going to be, which is good. Make it a little bit easier to find a spot for it. But it's a pretty simple install. I'll show you how to put that in real quick. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and feed these wires back through here, because I'm going to end up probably mounting it somewhere up here to have easy access for it. But I'm going to go ahead and feed these wires down into the back. Okay, pretty easy install. All we're gonna do is come to your pedal. We're gonna pull this red latch up. Once we get that up, we can press in and pull this off. Now that we've got that disconnected, we're gonna connect this side into here. I'm gonna push that red button down. Now we're gonna take this side, reconnect it back to the pedal, press that down, and then hit that red tab. And that's it. So when you're finished, pretty simple install, just replacing one with the other, and then you're gonna have your wire coming out. You have your pedal commander, then you can put that where you want. You've got the pedal commander plugged in. You got this little piece that you can pop off. This is what you're gonna mount to your dash, and then you can clip it on. Over here, you've got a little port that I guess for updates, if something does happen, or if they do have any updates that come out. Some of that I'm assuming can be done through the app. I've already gone through the app, but I'm at the part now where I need to add a device. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit this button, and then you'll see now I've got the different modes: Eco, City, Sport, Sport Plus. I can hit that button again twice and then put it in City. And then for me, everybody was recommended +2 on City. So I'm gonna hit that button to +2. And then we'll take it for a spin and see how it does. All right, so here in the app, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and add a device. I'm gonna click on my devices. I'm gonna click pedal commander. I'm gonna enter the code that's on the back of the pedal commander. Next, I'm gonna enter a name. I'm just gonna call mine pedal commander. Once you get that typed in, you can hit save. And then it will load up and you should be good to go. All right, so first impressions, I'm running City +1 and I love it. I mean, just the slight press of the pedal, I definitely get a whole lot more when I give it some go. One, I can hear it spooling a little bit more. It gets where I want much quicker. I can tell a big difference only because I put the iBox springs on and they are soft to me, especially in the rear. And when I tapped the pedal in the past, I mean, they really didn't do much. I didn't feel them dip in the back like I do with these. So I will say it's definitely made a difference in response time. I do want to call out a couple things. I've been making a couple trips from Jacksonville to Atlanta. It's about 365 miles. And I typically average 17.3. I noticed on the last 2 trips, after going about almost 400 miles, I was averaging right at 19. So definitely an improvement in MPG.